Hello friends, hi, this is Arun from Trade Alpha. Today I am going to show you that how can you place a multi-leg order in Astha Trade Wave application or in Astha Trade Wave company. Actually, Astha Trade company is providing that application, Astha Trade Wave, the mobile application. So by this application, we can place the multi-leg order, and here is let me log in my user ID, log in with my user ID. Here I am logging in with my user ID. Okay friends, so here I am logged in with my user ID. Now I am going to open my ID. Here I have opened my ID. Here it is. So as I have entered already a script of option Bank Nifty 28th of May 2020 18,000 put option. So suppose I wanted to place a multi-leg order with this script. So I have to first touch on this script. Then after I will get all these options. So I need to choose this multi-leg option. Okay. So as I have chosen, so this window is opened. So by default it comes as a two-leg order. Two-leg means we can place two orders in one time only. So suppose here it is, I have chosen that 18,000 put, and by default it is giving 18,100 put. It is kind of suggested order, so we can change it. Just click on this pencil mark. Here it is. So in this pencil mark I have clicked, and now I am going to search here Bank Nifty 18,000 C. So here it comes, Bank Nifty 18,000 call. I have chosen it. So here friends, you can see, as you can see, it has taken Bank Nifty 18,000 put, and against that 18,000 call. If I wanted to buy this, either I wanted to sell this, so I can switch from here like buy or sell option, and then after simply I can click on the submit. So it will take my order, and in the multi-leg order, here it is the IOCs. By default it is selected the validity. It means the immediate or cancel. We cannot change it actually. So it should be same IOC, and in the price section in the multi-leg order we cannot place the order as like market order or yeah, so we cannot place the market order. So basically we have to enter the price here. It should be the limit price. So limit price we can enter here in this price section. Here it is 30 rupees 50 paisa, so we can change it to 28 rupees, and we can simply click on the submit, and we can here also put the limit order like 701. It is coming 688.45 the LTP, so I can put here 680 as limit order. So whenever the price comes, my both orders would got executed. Okay. At the same time, here we can see this is the two-leg order. We are having the three-leg order also. So this is the three-leg order. So here it is. It has already taken my two legs what I have entered earlier. And now if I wanted to choose another, if I wanted to take like Bank Nifty for support, suppose I am taking and Bank Nifty 14,000 C. Here I have entered. Oh, spelling mistake. Just a second. Suppose I wanted to put Bank Nifty 14,000 put as my support. So I have taken here Bank Nifty 14,000 put, and the same scenario would be here also. We have to enter the limit price here, on what price we wanted to buy this, and we can simply click on submit. So as suppose I have clicked on the submit, and here it is like a confirmation, like this is the price and this is the order what you are going to place. So are you sure you wanted to place? So I need to click on the confirm option. As I have clicked on this my order is submitted. Now I wanted to check my order status. So here it is the option multi-leg order book. We can simply click on this multi-leg order book, and it will directly open our order book, multi-leg order book. But I am going to tell you the way how you can go if this window doesn't come, or somehow you are not able to find out this window. So you just need to click on the menu, then click on the trading, then after multi-leg order book. So here, as I have entered the 3 leg orders, so here it is, the 3 leg orders, all my orders, it is showing my orders status. Like na, I have entered first leg, second leg, third leg on what price. And actually this is the evening time when I am creating this video, so that's why my order got rejected. It's not the time when the market opens, so that's why my order got rejected. But whenever actually in the market time, it will show you as pending. Whenever the price comes, your position would be created. So multi-leg order is basically in the Astha trade. We can place multi-leg order in carry forward only. It cannot be placed in intraday. So please note down this. You can place this 2 leg or 3 leg order in carry forward only. You cannot place this order in like intraday. So whenever you wanted to do trade in carry forward, at the time you have to choose these options. The spread order facility right now we are not having. In future definitely we are going to avail this facility. Whenever we are going to avail this, we will inform it on our website, either via email we will inform you. Thank you. Thanks for your time.
Wow.